In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1095A on TurboTax. If you bought health insurance through the marketplace, you'll receive Form 1095A. This form is important because it helps reconcile the premium tax credit on your return. Before we start, have your 1095A nearby so you can reference it easily and make sure you're signed in to your TurboTax return. First, head to the Deductions and Credits area in TurboTax. This is where TurboTax groups items that affect your tax outcome beyond simple income entries, and it's the home for health insurance details. If you're on the main overview screen, look for the section labeled Deductions and Credits and select it. This puts you in the right place to add marketplace health information without digging through unrelated topics. Next, type 1095 in the search field within Deductions and Credits. Using the search is the fastest way to jump to the correct health insurance workflow. Typing just 1095 works well because it will show options related to 1095A, 1095B, and 1095C. We're focusing on the marketplace form, so you can quickly zero in on the right one from the list that appears. When you see Health Insurance Marketplace Form 1095A, click Start. This is the exact entry point you need. Be careful not to select 1095B or 1095C. Those are different forms and won't reconcile the premium tax credit. After you click Start, TurboTax will guide you through a short series of screens. You'll confirm that you received a 1095A and then follow the prompts that match the information printed on your form. The software is designed to help prevent common mistakes, and it will calculate Form 8962 in the background for you based on what you enter. A few quick tips as you proceed. Make sure the months shown on your 1095A align with your actual coverage period, and double check any amounts you type to match what's on the form. If you had more than one marketplace policy during the year, keep all pages of your 1095A handy so you can enter each one accurately. If you realize something needs fixing after you've moved on, just return to Deductions and Credits, search 1095 again, and reopen the Health Insurance Marketplace section to review or edit. That's it. To recap, open Deductions and Credits, type 1095 to find the Health Insurance section, and click Start on Health Insurance Marketplace, Form 1095A. Follow the on-screen prompts, and TurboTax will take care of the calculations. Save your work as you go, and you'll be all set.